Paying with Venmo at Target is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, you will need to have the Venmo app installed on your mobile device. It is available for both iOS and Android. So open the Venmo app and make sure your Venmo account is linked to a funding source like your bank account or debit card. Here, you will need a funded Venmo account to make payments. Before heading to Target, check with the store or visit their official website to verify if they accept Venmo as a payment method. Store policies can change, and it's crucial to ensure that Venmo is currently supported. When you're at the Target store and ready to make a purchase, proceed by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Now, at checkout, scan the store's QR code. Simply tap on Scan, then show Go Pay. Confirm the total. So, when prompted to select a payment method, choose Venmo. Also, you might be asked to authenticate the payment within the Venmo app using a PIN or a biometric verification like fingerprint or Face ID. Once the payment is approved, you'll receive a confirmation in the Venmo app, and the transaction will be completed at Target.